Hi folks, this is Dr. Leitner and welcome to English 222 Intro to Shakespeare. This video is a short tutorial on the basics of the course, the text we'll be using, and the point values of the course. So first thing to look at is the syllabus and schedule. Now the syllabus and schedule not only has the schedule, which has all the due dates, all the assignments, links to watching all of the plays through the library website, the Lincoln Land Library website. So that's a super important document. And you've got all the due dates and all the videos for the entire summer. Also read my syllabus and policies, has my late policy and all that other, my email and contact information, so that's important. Now, the texts we're going to be using are online texts. They're all freely available. I do have the printed copies with the same line numbers as the online copies, so those are available at the bookstore. And those are nice if you really like a play. You're not required to get serious about Shakespeare, but if you really like a play, those are nice, inexpensive, kind of a second step into the play. So we're going to start out with Midsummer Night's Dream, and this link will take you right to the text. Now, it's super important that you understand that I have two assignments, and we're looking at the texts. We're looking at the plays. One in kind of a macro way is the play as a whole, and another assignment really gets down deep into the lines. You'll just be writing about 10 or 20 lines in the other types of assignments. So I don't really ask you to do much research about Shakespeare or what other people have said, but I do ask you to take a deep dive into the words themselves. And so when you do quote these words, I like you to use these what are called FTLN line numbers, and they're all the way down the left-hand side here. That way we're all using the same line numbers, and these are also nice in that they're sequential. They just keep going up and up and up. So however many lines are in the play is going to be your last FTLN number. FTLN stands for Folger Through Line Number. So I mean it's through in the sense that it doesn't reset after every act. It just keeps going. So use the FTLN line numbers in your quotes. I expect you to use lots of quotes in your writing and that kind of thing. All the plays are here. And something else that's kind of interesting to look at is the course calendar. You can kind of scroll through that, and it has links to even take you into the assignment itself. So that's a good thing to look at. And My Grades is also a good place to look. Has all the due dates. Every assignment that you're going to turn in is actually listed right here. And it also has rubrics that if you read those, you will get a much better sense of what I'm looking for when I'm grading. All right, this is the first video, and there's a second video walking you through the rest of Blackboard. So thank you. Glad to have you aboard, and welcome to the course.